Did you know the age system in Korea is different? In Korea, babies are born 1 year old, and on January 1st, everyone ages up at the same time, no exceptions. So to calculate your Korean age, if your birthday already passed this year, add 1 year. If it hasn't, add 2. Yes, we know it's confusing. And one more thing, you are supposed to eat tteokguk on January 1st. Of course, this is a cultural thing. For official documents, we use international age, so don't worry. I just found out about this too, but there are rice cakes shaped like flowers. They're pretty, right? If you're watching this video, I'm guessing you're interested in Korean food. And if that's the case, you probably already know tteokbokki, right? It's actually made with the same rice cakes. The only difference is how the rice cake is cut. This is the most difficult part of the recipe, making chidan. It breaks very easily, so you have to be very careful, like you're handling fragile glass. Traditionally, it's made like the photo you're seeing now, but since I have a cute mole today, I'm officially lowering my standard. Every country has its own way of saying Happy New Year, so let's learn how to say in Korean. We say 새해 복 많이 받으세요, which means I hope you receive lots of luck and good things.
새해 복 많이 받으세요.
To everyone watching, I wish you a year filled with happiness, warmth, and moments that make you smile. Happy New Year. 새해 복 많이 받으세요.